Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, in today's video, let's get rid of the chrome on those mirrors. I got some caps right here. Let's pop them on and take a look. Okay, there we go. So here I'm just gonna work my way around the top. By the way, these orange tools are really nice and pretty inexpensive. I'll put a link down in the description down below. You can take a look if you do not have those. It's a really nice way to limit or eliminate damaging other parts so you're not scratching up the other parts of that mirror. Now this cap that's on here, as you can see, I'm working my way around the top. So the top is what you wanna pop off, and then the bottom part has little kind of almost hooks that sort of hook in. So the top is the important part to get off, kind of showing you the inside of that cap and how it's put together there. All right, done with the chrome. Let's pop on that color match. So you can see those three hooks kind of at the bottom of this cap. The hooks go kind of in the bottom and then you just snap the top on. Yeah, and I apologize I didn't get better footage of that, but really it's that easy. And then just kind of finesse the top in a little bit, and there you go. Fits like a glove. Again, these tools are very necessary. So look down in the description down below, and I'll put a link to where I bought these caps, the color matched caps, and I'll also put a link to these tools down there as well. Easy as that, my friends, and wow, what a difference. Get rid of that chrome. It looks so much better. All right, let's take a look. Looks fantastic. There you go. And we can go and take a look at the other side as well that still has that chrome cap on it. And we'll kind of compare the left-hand side to the right-hand side. There you go. There's that chrome. And you know, some of the chrome pieces, as far as deleting the chrome, are going to be a little bit more challenging. I still don't know how I'm going to do the door handles, but you can see right here that those caps, pretty easy, fairly inexpensive, didn't take all that much time. And I can't wait. Let's go get rid of this one as well. So you can see I'm starting at that bottom corner, working my way on the top, pop the top off, the bottom comes off real easy, and then just do the opposite for the new one. Put it on the bottom, snap on the top. And it took a little bit of finessing here. I did cut out some of the video, but honestly it took maybe 2 minutes to put that new cap back on, and just kind of pops together and pops on there. Wow, looks way better. Hey my friends, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and if you look at the playlist, there's about 10 videos I've got going up on this Tundra right now as we make a few modifications to it. As I've said, let's put on some new wheels. Let's put on some BFG KO2 tires. We'll push up that front end a little bit and make this from a cool truck to an amazing truck. See you next time. Bye for now.